In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide placeholders on a layout in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted consistent text boxes, image spots, or chart areas to appear automatically on certain slides, this is exactly how to control them. We'll work in Slide Master, make changes to a specific layout, and then confirm the results on your slides. First, let's open Slide Master. In PowerPoint, go to the View tab at the top and choose Slide Master. This special view is where you control the overall structure and default elements across your presentation. Think of it as the blueprint for your slides. Any change you make here applies to slides that use the associated layout, so it's a powerful and efficient way to maintain consistency. Now, select the layout you want to edit. On the left, you'll see a list of thumbnails. The big one at the top is the master slide, and the ones beneath it are the individual layouts. Click the specific layout you use for your slides, such as a title and content layout, or whichever layout you want to modify. Make sure you're selecting a layout, not the master at the very top, so your edits only affect that layout type. To show placeholders on that layout, go to the Slide Master tab and choose Insert Placeholder. From the drop-down, pick the type you need, like text, picture, chart, table, or others. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to draw the placeholder on the layout where you want it to appear. You can resize and position it later, and you can add more than one if needed. Use the alignment guides to keep things neat and consistent with your design. To hide a placeholder you don't want, click the placeholder on the layout to select it. Make sure you're clicking its border so you're selecting the whole placeholder, not the text inside it. Then press Delete or use Cut. If you change your mind, use Undo to bring it back. Hiding a placeholder removes it from that layout, so slides using the layout will no longer include that box by default. When you're done, close Slide Master. On the Slide Master tab, click Close Master View. This returns you to your normal slides. Finally, check your slides. Any slide using the layout you edited will now show the new placeholders you added, or hide the ones you removed. If you don't see changes, make sure the slide is actually using that layout. This approach keeps your presentation cleaner, faster to build, and visually consistent.